Hello, it's Crafty Ria. I am so glad you're joining me today. Today's going to be just a really quick Happy Mail video. I went to the post office box on Valentine's Day and I picked up 2 envelopes. This was the one time I went in by myself. My husband didn't go in for me. And there were only these 2 things in the box. Every time my husband goes, there's a million keys and, big boxes and a 15-pound box and that sort of thing. So I kind of got away easy this time. I thought it was pretty funny. So I have 2 goodies to open. I'll open this one first. This is from a viewer. She sent me a beautiful Valentine card, and look at this inside when you open it up. Well, first of all, I love this background paper. That is so cool. And of course, I love the holographic sparkles on there. But then look at this when it opens up. If I can open it up. It's a pop-up card. Isn't that adorable? I love it. So cool. And she wrote me a really nice note on the back. She says, "A little note for someone sweet. Thank you, Maria, for this Valentine card exchange. I enjoyed participating." And I think her name is Ray. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. That will go on my Valentine wall. And I may have to borrow this idea and we'll do some pop-up cards on the channel. I think that would be kind of fun. I'll do one of my copycat cards. And this next envelope is from Crystalline. And there is a note. This is one of my wishes from one of the groups I belong to. It's Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. And we do wishes on a Wednesday twice a month. And I always wish for old Christmas cards, of course. And she granted my wish. So let's see the old Christmas cards that we're going to recycle on the channel. Or at least some of them. This one's kind of pretty. It has a little smiley face in there. And there is this. We can make a shaker card out of this, possibly. I think that might be a neat idea. And then this one we could make as an opening door card. That'll be fun. And we have a cute snowman. This one is really cool. We can even cut those apart and use all those little images. That's really neat. And we have a pretty, I don't know if you can see the glitter, a very glittery dove. It says peace. That's really pretty. And we have Santa. Oh, I have done this card, I think, twice on my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you remember that. I'm trying to remember if I've done it twice or once, at least once. It's so funny. I love getting the same cards again because it makes me laugh and brings back memories. And here's another front door card. And here's a gorgeous doggy. I love dogs. My dog's name is Jonah, and he is a Beagle Pug mix, and he is the cutest little guy. He's really cool. This dog is very pretty. This is a very heavy cardstock. It doesn't say who it's from on the back, but it is a very thick cardstock, like a good quality card. Then we have the Grinch, and he brought back the toys and the food for the feast, and he himself, the Grinch, carved the roast beast. I have a couple of Dr. Seuss cards. Dr. Seuss is I will say, Dr. Seuss is my favorite author. In college, I did a research paper about we had to pick any literary person. It was an English comp too. And of course I picked Dr. Seuss. And I really enjoyed learning about his background and, things like that. It was really good. And I got a perfect grade on it. I got 100% on it. Loved that research paper. I don't still have it though. Okay, and so I really did take English in college, and I should be able to talk better than I do on the video. But when you're crafting and you're doing stuff, my brain, I just can't do two things at once, like talk and chew gum. So it's hard to talk and craft at the same time. When I edit my videos, I laugh and I'm like, what the heck did I say that for? It makes me laugh. Okay, so then we have this card. It says, "Let it snow." And it's got a really neat inside there. Enjoyed the ride this holiday season. I like that. And this is a joyful noise. Oh, and a Halloween card. Love it. Look at that cool black hat. Love the Halloween card. It says, "Hope this Halloween is delightful for you, from your first trick or treat to your very first boo, or to your very last boo." See, I really do know how to read. But anyway, that is adorable. I love it. Thank you, Crystal. And I will be making really cool cards with some of these cards. And then also thank you, Ray, for the beautiful Valentine's Day card. I will link the group Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship in the description box below in case you do want to go check them out. It is a swapping group and Happy Mail group. And if you like getting and sending Happy Mail, it really is a fun group. They do have a few new member requirements, so be sure to read the rules. But do let them know I sent you if you do sign up over there. I also have a Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea. I'd love to have you join our family over there. The ladies there are wonderful and so sweet. So please do check that out. I will link that below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you very much. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.